Papa, good morning.
Good morning. Hey, Bubi.
Papa.
I am off for today's hunting.
I see. Papa, as you go out today, may God favor you in your hunting.
See. Listen, I will get you some bushmeat if God favors me.
Papa, because of Ebube, God will favor you so that Ebube can eat some nice bushmeat today.
Let me go. Take care of yourself. Stay out of trouble.
Papa, I cross my heart. Bye, Papa.
Bye.
Be safe, okay?
Okay.
Hey, Bube, why haven't you finished sweeping this compound?
I'm almost done. I'm almost done.
Done how? You've not even started and you're saying you're almost done. In fact, hurry, so that I can go to Ngereze stream and fetch me drinking water.
Did you say drinking water?
Yes!
But we still have some drinking water in the house, so the packaged water Papa bought yesterday.
You know me, I don't like taking packaged water. Hey, Bube, hurry, take this bucket and go and fetch me drinking water. What?
I'm just thinking, because you know the road to the stream is very lonely and scary. So I'm thinking maybe you can just ask Oluchi to come with me. In that case, I will not be scared and we'll just quickly go and fetch you the water.
You and Oluchi are not in the same level in this house. Don't you know who you are? My friend, go. Carry this thing and go and fetch me. In fact, drop the broom. Drop it. Drop it and take this bucket. I am talking to you. Drop it. See the bucket here. Pick it. Pick it. You are not mentioning yourself with Oluchi. Where are you going to? Where are you going to?
I want to go and carry wrapper to put on my head.
You want to go and carry wrapper? Look at her. Nonsense girl.
Don't worry, you are too fine. Get out. Say you fine. Mama.
Are you going now?
Mama. I have a date. A date.
With who?
Yeah. Mama, what kind of question is this now? Eh? Must you know everything? Yeah.
I must not know everything now, but you know that there was a time I was at your age. Eh? You have to tell me where you are going to so that I will know how to advise you.
Mama, I say advice. What you people did that time, that era is called courting. What I'm going for is dating. So you cannot advise me. What you need to do now is just to wish me luck. Simua, Gawa, and come back in peace with a lot of goodies.
Of course I wish you well. And you know it. But my own is that as we are going to die on date, do not forget to bring my own package.
Hey,
my
Mama.
own package of, you know, the goodies now.
Mama Mia! New generation Mama!
They are not, you know it now. Or the catch all one.
Mama.
We are fine, no?
I know now, Mama.
I tried though.
Take a look at me, Mama. Mama, stop now. Stop now. Stop, Mama.
What the catch all? One more bossing does on our tongue.
It's okay. It's okay. Hey, Maka, keep my mirror inside. Keep it.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
All right.
We move.
Bye.
Bye bye, Mama. Okay. I will see you after my date, Mama. Ewa. I got no diatata. One more. I have landed.
Mother. Mother. Mother, where have you been?
I went to the great beyond.
Mother, please. Please come back home. Please. When are you coming back? My life is incomplete without you. But I want you to come back. Please.
My daughter, go home. Go home.
No. Mother, I can't. I was asked to go and fetch water from the stream. And if I do not, they're going to punish me. I have missed you.
Ignorance extreme is very dangerous. Please go back home, my daughter.
No. I must have to fetch the water.
No, my daughter, go home.
Mother, please come back. Mother.
Go home.
No.
Go home now.
Mother! 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 Hey! Hey!
Stop.
I love you too.
And moreover, I'm making an arrangement to come and see your people, at least to come and pay your bride price.
I cannot wait. I can't wait at all.
Then let me shock you more. I'll make you the Sanujo of all eyes in the community.
Hey, English. Sinojo, thank you for that one. I cannot wait for this reality to come to pass.
There's nothing to worry about. But I'll make sure by next tomorrow, everybody in the community will refer to you as my bona fide woman, my wife.
You are my husband. You are my life. You are my grave. You are my wealth, my hope, my future. You are my death. Everything is you.
I love you so much, my sugar.
And I love you too. In fact, I am loving you with this car.
As for this car, it's all yours.
Break my screen guard.
There's nothing to worry about.
And I love you too.
Oluchi! Oluchi, what are you doing here? And who is this? What are you doing with my sister?
We are driving ship. He's my co-captain. You're asking me what I'm doing here. What does he look like I'm doing here?
Hey! Oluchi!
Baby, who is this?
Our maid.
Oluchi, so this is what you do? You sneak out of the house to stand on the street and start misbehaving and messing around with men? Is this what you do?
Saint Maggie, will you tell me how to live my life? Is it your life?
Hey!
Nonsense.
You know what? Oluchi, I am your elder sister. I'm the only person that can tell you the truth. And I have the right, every right, to bring you back on track when you're going wrong. This whole thing is a total mess. Oluchi, I am ordering you. Oh yeah, start going
Baby,
home.
what?
I am your younger sister, marathon supervisor. You don't have the right to put me back on track. I am not going home.
Baby, what is going on here? What is actually going on?
Oluchi!
What's going on?
Oluchi, start going home.
I'm not going.
Oluchi, I will rough-handle you.
I won't
Oluchi, you
go.
know what I can do. Oluchi, 1. Oluchi, 2. Oluchi, if I count 3 and you're still standing.
See,
Oluchi!
baby, I'm no longer interested in this conversation.
Then what are you still doing here?
Just
Please
leave
get
me.
out! Get out of this place!
My money, my money.
Oluchi! Oh yeah, start going home.
You have started.
Oluchi, you and I know.
You have started.
Oluchi, you know what you... Oluchi, you really want to lose, oh? Oluchi, I will rough-handle you. Oluchi, start going home. Oluchi, 1. Oluchi, 2. Oluchi, no, come. Oluchi, start going home, my friend.
Go punish you.
Rat. You want to disgrace the family. Go. Look at her. Why don't you start going home? Let me not see you here again. Yeah. I don't want to see you here again. Stupid idiot. Looking for who to spoil. Is she
wife? Are you married to her? Oluchi!
Your Majesty.
You have done a good job.
Yes.
Yes, making sure that the whole compound, everybody is ready for the return of my son
Yes.
from abroad.
Honestly, I can't wait. For our only son, Prince Jamike.
To come back.
Yes, to come back.
Same here, same here, same
Honestly.
here. I tell you something, Lolo.
What?
I'm a very proud man.
Really?
Yes, we should be proud of ourselves. You know why?
Exactly.
Some of our mates send their children abroad and they went there and turned to something else.
Exactly.
Some turned to criminals, some turned to drug addicts, all kinds of things.
God is just too faithful.
But Jamike, we sent him abroad. He went there to do exactly why we sent him.
Exactly.
He has his first degree,
Second.
his second degree, and he's prepared to come back to assume his rightful position in this kingdom.
Yes, yes. I can't wait.
We give the gods the glory.
We give him the glory.
Oh yes, oh
Yes.
yes. Thank you.
You're such a darling.
What can I do without you?
Royal kiss. Yes. Thank you, sir. Only I don't expect you to be crying after coming back from the date.
Mama, she has spoiled everything. She has spoiled everything from A to Z, Mama. She scattered everything.
Who scattered everything?
Mama, you know I don't like trouble. You know I'm a very peaceful person. I used to just be on my own and do my own things. That was how I was standing with my friend. A man that wanted to give me huge amount of money. Ebube just appeared from nowhere like Harry Potter. Started beating me and embarrassing me publicly. I mean in front of that man. The man even tried to defend me. Ebube was still beating me and that was how the man left. What did I do to Ebube? What did I do to Ebube to deserve this embarrassment,
Ollie.
Mama? Yeah.
Which Ebube that I sent to Ngereze's stream to go and fetch me water?
Which water? Mama, she did not fetch any water. Oh. She did not fetch any water. I did not see any water inside a gallon. She did not fetch any water.
How do you mean?
Mama, I told you that this girl is very strange and there's something weird about her. You did not believe me. This girl beat me today and disgraced me in front of my friend, and that was how the man just left with 200,000, Mama. 200,000. Like that. Left with the money. Ebube shall not be well with you anywhere you
Amen!
Your company will burn. No, she does not have company. Mama, she will die.
200,000.
Mama, what you go? Who died there? Vulture, Ekwensu. Mama said she come. That's a gay bia. You're walking slow motion.
Ebube, where are you coming from? Come on up. Ebube, where is the water I asked you to fetch for me? From Ngereze's stream. Where is it? Where is it?
Mama, the water.
The water.
Oh, Ebube, what did I do to you? What did I do to you?
Mama, calm down now. I couldn't get the water. That was because as I was going, I started hearing scary voices. So I had to come back.
You started hearing scary voices?
Yes,
you?
Mama.
What do you mean by scary voices?
The voices were so unimaginable and unexplainable. I can't even explain it, but I just started hearing so many voices in my head. And besides, the road to the stream is very lonely now. Mama, you know, to have sent me there by this time to go and fetch water.
No problem.
It's not safe.
Wait. What did you do to Oluchi when you saw her with her friend?
Answer.
Ebube, you made me to lose 200,000. 200,000. Ebube.
Hi. What are you people talking about?
Ebube, start talking. What did you do to Oluchi when you saw her with her friend?
Oluchi, what did I do to you?
You scattered my hair. You beat me up.
Moi?
Yes.
Hey!
Liar. Mama, she's a liar. Mama,
You are calling my daughter a liar.
Mama, let me just explain to you. You see
Oh, yeah,
this Oluchi, you're not a good person, no. You're not a good person. Mama, see, if we're not careful with this Oluchi will rub the name of this family in mud. Mama, as I was coming back from the stream, I saw Oluchi standing on the road with a man. Mama, you cannot even believe what they were doing. If you had seen Oluchi, I swear, Mama, you'd have shed tears. Hey. What did I do? All I did was to ask her to go back home. Mama, if we're not careful, see, this Oluchi will disgrace this family.
Is it my daughter that you're calling a disgrace? Is it my daughter? Is it my daughter that you're calling a disgrace? You are the...
Mama, beat her well. Beat her very well.
You are calling my daughter a disgrace. You are a disgrace to this family. You are the one.
So, Papa, Mama, what do you think about my dressing, my look, my total look? Tell me.
Oh, yeah.
Mama, make an eye also. So, Papa, how's
You look take away.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Mama, the charisma and mannerism with which I will carry myself around this village as the queen is going to be amazing and worthy of emulation.
I think you are very ready for your betrothed. Yes. Prince Jamike!
Papa, you can say that again. I cannot wait to be married to Prince Jamike. Like, I honestly cannot wait.
Let's just wait, just remain a few days.
He will return. Once he return, bam, Oblu.
Oh yes.
Mama, I can't wait. My whole body actually. I want my cousin baby. I cannot wait.
The Igwe demand for your presence in the palace immediately.
Immediately. Is there any problem?
No, not at all.
Okay. Just tell him that I will be with him shortly. Huh?
All right, I don't know.
Okay. Thank you. Woman, go and prepare food for me. I want to eat before I get to the palace. I'm very hungry. You could call me broom nose up.
Papa, let me left you for
Somebody that is hungry.
Mama, prepare mine too. If you want to marry Prince, I want to.
Papa, you know you're a man, and it will be better for you to examine me and like tell me what you think about my dressing. So now that Mama is not here, I am asking you as father and daughter, what do you think about my look?
Fantastic. Take away. Gracious. Do I still be releasing the grammar?
Really, father, it makes me happy.
Girlfriends, so how are you preparing for the coming of the prince?
How else do you want us to prepare? When it's obvious his parents has already made up their mind on who their son is going to marry when he returns. It's obvious.
But wait though, if I may ask, who is the chosen bride?
I heard it's Dimma.
Dimma? Why would they choose her as a wife for their son?
What else do you expect? Considering the relationship between Ono and the royal family, what else do you expect?
That means we don't have a chance on the prince.
Yes, now. We'll be making mockery of ourselves if we should attend that ceremony.
Which
girls, what do you think?
Me, I have chance with the prince. Yes, I do. As for me, I'm going to be there live and direct. Yes. I'm not there, bam. I cannot watch Dimma that has tiny legs. I don't see me. I don't see my food everywhere men and prince will come and take. It's not possible. She cannot take the prince. I'll be there. Yes.
I'll be there and see things for myself.
Well, as for me, I will not attend the ceremony. If you girls like, you can go. As for me, I will not go.
Don't even come. You don't need to come because the priest cannot even choose you over me.
See this one.
Every time you don't want to go. How do you intend to get married in this village?
No, you are who is planning.
It's okay, it's okay. Uju, stop now.
What is okay? No, wait, let me ask her. Ifeoma, tell me. How do you want to get married in this village? This one you don't want to go. This one you don't want to go.
Don't go there and disgrace yourself. Don't go there.
Mo Uju want to disgrace myself.
If you like, go now.
It's enough, please.
Oh no, Igwe. I invited you to know how far you have gone with arrangements concerning the return of my son, Prince Jamike.
Igwe, there is no cause for alarm. All arrangements for the return of Prince Jamike are in top gear. You don't need to worry. You gave the job to the right person, and I must deliver, you know.
I am happy to hear that.
Oh yes.
I'm happy to hear it. You have to carry on with that level of preparation because there's no room for any lapses whatsoever.
Your Majesty, Prince Jamike's welcome party will be the talk of the town. Huh?
Oh no.
Why? So go and relax and see things work.
I'm happy to hear that. The secret.
But Igwe, I know have you intimated Prince Jamike about my daughter, my beautiful daughter, Dimma?
Oh no. You have no problem there. No problem at all. Yes. I actually spoke with my son on the matter, and he is eager to meet with your daughter.
Oh, wonderful.
Yes.
Oh, wonderful.
Yes.
Oh, thank you so much.
So continue with the arrangements. Everything will fall into place.
All right. All right. I'm so happy.
Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, you're fine now. You're on top of the matter.
Oh, yes.
Dalo.
Igwe. Ngocha mmanya si wetekwu ọzọ.
Oluchi. Oluchi.
Papa.
Get me drinking water.
I'm tired.
Go and get me drinking water before I use my walking stick to break your head.
Oh, Papa, I said I'm tired now. I'm tired. Send to go and bring the water. I'm tired.
No. She says she's tired now. Let me get it for you.
Why can't Oluchi go and get water for me? I don't like the way you are pampering her. You are making this girl to be lazy. I don't like it.
No, let me get water for you. She says she's tired. Let me get water for you.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Babilo. One small meat. Eh? Papa now.
Jegopa. Ena tano. Ebukura. Mba ebukura. Yano filiano.
Here is your water.
Thank you.
I hope you are enjoying it. You're enjoying the food.
Yes. It is delicious.
Thank you.
But I have not seen Ebube since I came back.
Nah. I don't know where she went to. You know that girl is very lazy. She is very, very lazy. All the house since today. I did it with only Oluchi. That is why Oluchi is tired.
Are you sure Ebube is alright?
It will be alright now. That girl is very lazy. Nine. That Ebube is very lazy. She's alright. Nothing is wrong with her.
Let me enjoy my food.
Enjoy your food. Enjoy your food. I hope.
Ebube, are you alright?
Yes, Papa. Papa, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, Papa, I'm okay.
I came back and I couldn't see you. Unlike you. Are you sure?
Yes, Papa,
What happened to you?
Papa, I just had a little domestic accident and...
You say go aware of this?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, Papa. Papa, please. I don't want you to confront her. As a matter of fact, she and Oluchi beat me up. But please, don't confront her, please. Please.
I have had enough from them.
Papa, please. Please. I don't want any more troubles. Don't say anything to anybody. Don't confront them. I'm fine.
Ebube, who locked your room?
They also did. They locked me. They locked me out.
It's alright. Now get up. Get up, get up. I have had enough. Stand up.
Ebube! Ebube!
Please come. I called you because I want to know how you are faring.
But I'm getting better.
It's okay. It's okay. Please take this money. Go to a nearby pharmacy and buy some medication.
Why are you giving her this money?
She wants to use it to buy some drugs.
2,000! Why are you giving her this money?
I am giving her money for her to go and buy some medications because of the injuries you inflicted on her while you were beating her yesterday.
Which injury, Nani? Hey! Neighbor, so people should come and say, you are giving her 2,000 for quit injury. How much are we using to cook food in this house now? That you are giving her 2,000 for injury? How watch now, Ebube. Did I touch you? So, she has already reported me to you, and you believe her and conclude without asking.
Hey.
Ebube. So, when I get a the makwa,
No, Mba, I did not report you. I cannot report you.
It did not report me.
But did I tell you anything? I didn't tell. You see, Mpa was just trying to give me.
It's okay, Bube. It's okay, Bube. It's okay. Don't beg her.
But did I report her to you?
Stop begging her. She will do nothing. Okay?
We shall see.
You will see nothing. Don't worry.
Mpa, you shouldn't have talked to her like that. So, Papa, this is putting me in trouble now.
Now, listen, Ebube. I don't want you to be afraid. I am with you. They will do nothing to you. Okay?
Hey, Pa, I don't want the money for the treatment again. I'm okay.
No. I will give you another one, eh?
No, Pa. Papa, I don't want. I'm fine, no.
Hey, Ebube.
Yeah? You listen. So you went to report to Papa the incident that happened to your mama yesterday, right?
Oluchi, what you and your mother did to me yesterday, was it fair? No. Answer me. Was it fair?
Yeah. Cheregodo, I really want to know. What exactly did we do to you, Biko?
Oh, you have forgotten.
Maybe I have. Remind me.
You cannot remember.
At all.
Okay. Since you have memory loss, I'm going to remind you. Okay. You and your mother teamed up and beat me. Why? Just because I ate a piece of meat. One whiny, tiny little pieces of meat.
You call it whiny, tiny, but you ate it. Carnivorous animal. Is it your meat? I mean, who gave you the authority in this house to eat the meat? And let me even ask you, when did you start eating meat in this house?
Oluchi, is it an abomination for me to eat meat?
Hey.
Besides the meat in question, Papa killed it. So it's not a crime that I ate the meat my father brought from the bush.
Papa killed it. So it's not a crime for me to eat the meat my papa brought from the bush. No, you don't know who gave birth to you. You don't know your father. You're not your papa. My father is the person you are boldly calling Papam. Who is your father? Let me tell you. If you want to know, go and ask your mother, your dead mother in the grave, to tell you who your biological father is. Since you don't know. But in case you don't know, I can tell you for free. I will tell you who your dead father is too. Nonsense. My father killed the meat. Not only father. Go and look for your father.
Oluchi. Oluchi, do you know the implication of what you're saying?
What is also implication? I know everything I said. He is not your father. My father is not your father. Go and tell your dead mother to look for. Bring my father to like that. Are you mad? Are you stupid? How dare you bring my mother to fight? How dare you? Say it again.
Welcome. How are you guys?
Mama, we came to check on Dima. Is she around?
She's around. She should be at the back end.
Dima! Mama!
Come. You have visitors.
No, try your best. It's like you have to make it at it. Yes, so someone I'm sure it's very soon.
Hello.
She's there.
Yes,
I'm sure it's very soon.
Very well.
Ujunwa. Okay. You came to see me.
Yes, so keep to see me.
Okay. Our future queen, we've come to see you. Okay. Is anything the matter?
No so bad at all, no problem. We came to identify with you and also to declare our support to you as our queen. Our future queen. You can count on us anytime you want anything. Anything.
Hey, Amaka.
That's amazing. That's so nice of you girls, you know.
Yes, so honestly, I am happy.
Thank you,
I am happy for your support to my daughter.
Thank you, Mama.
Alone.
Dima, Igawago. The road is clear for you.
Isn't this interesting, Mama? It's thank you. I appreciate that, you know.
Is this how you talk now? This is interesting, you know. This is our queen, eh? My queen. You're not my queen, ma. Please, is there anything you want us to do for you? Anything at all? Maybe clean your house or even wash your clothes.
Absolutely not. For what God cannot do does not exist.
You can say that again, my friend. This English is entering my head, my sister. My friend. God has done it for you already.
Of course. Okay, having said that, whenever I need you girls to do anything for me, I will give you a call. But for now, you just have to get to the house, get dressed, because we are heading to the palace together.
Palace! No problem. We'll be back.
We'll be back in a jiffy.
Okay. Mama, I'll come and eat this bitter leaf soup.
Mama.
Look at the way people are in support of your marriage to the prince.
Hey! This is amazing.
Honestly.
And super interesting as well. Hey, I'm already enjoying the massive support from our people, you know. And this is interesting, honestly. It shows that the gods has favored me, Mama.
You are favored. You are favored, Mama.
I'm actually going to please
you are favored.
Did you see how those girls were asking me? Is there anything you want me to do for you? Is there anything we can do for you? Did you actually see that?
I saw it. I saw it.
Wow.
This soup should wait. This soup. Yeah, but I'm like, let me follow you. Go and prepare my princess.
Today is going to be a remarkable day, considering all the arrangements, all the preparations that Igwe have provided for Prince Jamike's return.
Wow.
My dear, you can say that again. The Igwe provided so much to eat and drink.
Wow. I can't wait for the party to get started. You all know how I love food.
Who don't like good things? I can't wait to be part of the goodies.
Oh, please. Goodies, food. I'm not after goodies or food.
So what are you after?
I can't wait for the prince to come and admire any of us. Me in particular. Choose his bride from us, you know. What do you think?
It seems you're dreaming. You better wake up from this your dream.
What makes you think that Prince of all people will stoop so low to be attracted to any of us? Ha! Wake up.
My dear, wait. We are not the same class with the prince.
Tell her.
Don't let our hope get high because it's impossible for us to have anything to do with the prince.
Oh, please. Oh, please. If you are low and you are low, I'm not. I'm good enough to be the future queen of this community.
Okay.
Yes.
Don't worry. I can see you are so desperate.
Business.
My dear, please, let's go back to Aditi.
Go and be eating your food.
Stay here. Prince.
Hey, you people should go.
Stay there.
Go and be eating.
Papa, that is what Oluchi here said. Oluchi said, you're not my biological father.
Oluchi,
Papa?
how can you make such allegation against your sister?
Yeah, Papa, it's his sister. Last time I checked, I don't have a sister. As far as I'm concerned, I'm the only child in this house. I don't have a sister, Papa.
Says who?
Nani. Tell this girl the truth. Tell her the truth. Let her know the truth.
What truth?
Papa, please. Papa Biko, I beg you in God's name. Is there anything I'm supposed to know that you're not telling me? Papa, please, just say it. Don't worry. I can handle it. If you're not my father, just say it. What is that truth?
Ebube.
Papa.
The only truth that I know is that you, Ebube, you are my first daughter.
Oh.
Oluchi here is my second daughter.
Oh.
The difference is that both of you are not from the same mother, but you are from my loins.
Oh.
Nanye, the truth is bitter, but the truth must be...
Hey, shut up!
Shut me up! Let this girl know the truth. Why are you shutting me up? The truth is bitter, but she must know the truth.
Mama, my mother died. My mother died of childbirth complication.
That is what they want you to believe. Ine Ibuki is what your mother had.
Papa, you heard her.
I tell her that you are not her father. You are just she's just calling you a father. Tell her that you are not the biological father. Tell her. Ebube, don't mind him. It was your mother's promiscuity that led to her death. Don't mind him. Ebube, let me tell you. Your mother died in attempting to abort another man's pregnancy. Mom. This man here is not your father. He does not want you to know the truth.
Mama.
Eh?
Don't raise your voice. Don't shout too much, eh?
She needs to know the truth.
Mama, calm down. Since Papa don't want to tell her the truth, let us go inside. They say the truth is bitter.
It's bitter, but she must know now.
Mama, let's go. Just leave them. Mama.
Hey! Oh yeah. Now yes, you tell her the truth. Let her know. Hey!
Papa, please. Papa, be cool now. Papa, please. I'm begging you in God's name. I'm just begging you. Don't worry. I can handle it. Just tell me. If you're not my father, say it. It doesn't matter. Just tell me. Tell me, because Papa, Biko, just tell me the truth now. Tell me the truth. That truth they want you to tell me. Just say it.
Ebube.
Papa.
Ebube.
Papa.
Ebube.
Papa.
How many times did I call you?
3 times.
They are only trying to create confusion.
Hey.
Don't allow whatever thing this idiot must have said. Don't take it. You are my first daughter.
The prince must be on his way. And I want you all to be at alert.
Chike, why are you sounding as if you don't know what we are capable of? Eh? I mean, we are ever ready. We are ready day in, day out. You know, the thing is, we have really been stressing ourselves lately. And to think of this again, now, it will be very healthy for us to ensure that everyone is entertained. That is just the thing.
DK, we are ready for this job. That is why we are here.
DK, it is our job in this palace to do whatever it takes.
This palace is secured, all right?
That's right. So let's go to the front and see what's going on.
Mama, name. They said you were promiscuous. Mama, is that even true? Mama, how true is that? Mama, if this is not true, then you have to prove them wrong. You have to prove it to them, Mama. You have to prove it to them. Mama, where are you? Name, Mama. Where is my mother? Mama, you can hear me, oh. You can hear me. Mama, you can see me. You can see that I am suffering. Mama, it's me. It's Ebube. Mama, this is Ebube, your daughter. Oh, I am suffering, Mama. Mama, you have to answer me. Mama, where are you? Mama, Mama, where are you? Mama, Mama, where are you? Mama. Mama, where are you?
What happened? What happened? Take it easy.
Mama, is it not Neka's mother? Is Neka's mother? Oh.
What
Me and Neka were playing. Okay. We're just there playing. Oh. Mama didn't even touch her. We're just playing like this. My hand just touched her small like this. Before I know, she fell and she started crying. Then the mother came there.
And do what?
She pounded me on my back like this. Pounded me on my back like this. She said that I'm the one that fell her daughter. And I told her that I'm coming because she doesn't know the daughter of who I am. She has forgotten my mother because I'm going to call my mother. And that's why I came.
Just like that?
Yes, Mama. Come and show them. Come and show them why I
Today
told
I will
them.
show them why they call me the
I
little
told
tiger.
them I want them.
Let's go.
So, Mama, yes, my God. You said, yes, I want to teach you a special song. A special song?
Yes.
Mama, you know I love to sing.
Yes, I
so,
know.
I can't wait to hear the song. Yes. But it must be special, oh.
Yes, of course. Do you know what? The song is called Njenjele.
Njenjele?
Yes, my daughter. So, you'll be giving me Njenjele Obiunwa.
Njenjele Obiunwa.
Yes, ma'am.
Njenjele Obiunwa.
Yes, ma'am.
Njenjele. Okay.
Hold on now.
Okay, Mama, I can't wait. It sounds so sweet already.
I know you love songs, so.
Oh yeah, ngwanu.
Mama, I like it already.
That's my daughter. I know you will love it. I know you love songs.
Mama, Mama, man, look at me. Name, look at Ebube. Ebube is suffering. Oh, I am suffering. Oh, you can't hear me.
My son, Jamike, Wakibia. Oh, Yelena. Oh, yeah. You're welcome once again. No.
Son, we are happy to have you back. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mom. Dad, I feel this funfair welcome party and massive turnout of the villagers is not really necessary.
My prince, don't say that. You are the next king of this kingdom. So you deserve all the fanfare, all the respect that you are seeing. Moreover, I made it happen.
Oh,
really? Oh, wonderful. Yeah, yes.
Oh, no.
Oh, yes, he did. Oh, yeah.
Thank you. Well, I'm glad to see everyone, especially my kid sister here.
He has refused to accept any man's hand in marriage. Advise her.
Why, sis?
Daddy, please stop.
Hey, man,
Good to see you too, big brother. But if you had stayed longer than this, seriously, it would be very difficult to recognize you.
You mean there were changes on him?
He didn't change. He did not change.
He did.
He just grew
Dad, he
beautiful bread.
did. He did.
Just grew beautiful bread.
The beard, right? You know already, Dad.
I used to carry those days now. No, you look on in those days.
You are not even talking about me. Can you imagine? You are talking about yourself.
Yes, welcome. Come back.
Son? Hope you are enjoying your breakfast.
Yeah.
Where is the ma?
I don't know. She should be in the room.
Why did she not join you in the dining?
Mom, please. I don't want to talk about that.
I hope you guys are getting along well.
Mom, that's way too fast. All right, we need some time to bond.
Anyway, whatever you are doing, you have to be very fast about it. Everyone is expecting you to get married soonest. You know that?
Well, when we get to the bridge, we will cross it. Can you allow me to enjoy my breakfast in peace?
Go ahead and eat your food, okay? While I check the ma upstairs.
Okay, Mom. Thank you.
Yeah. Join you.